Today I have a bunch of different Miracase brand protective phone cases for the iPhone 14 Pro 6.1. Again, this is for the iPhone 14 Pro 6.1. Won't fit other versions of it. It's just for the Pro 6.1, 14 Pro 6.1. Let's go ahead and unbox them. So we have two different styles of cases here, obviously in all different colors. We'll start with these just because they're in front. So we have this style case here, which is sort of a rubbery outside surround for it. The phone, obviously, this is a dummy phone, by the way, would go in here like that and protect it like that. But you might be saying, well, that's, what if I drop it, something like that? How does it protect the screen? Well, they even include in here screen protectors. I'll see if I could just take that out. As you see right here, they include screen protectors for it as well. So you get that. And all of these cases, by the way, have a lifetime warranty on them from Miracase. So we have the black. All of these four have like a velvety interior. We have the black. We have sort of a... It's a slightly different black. I can't really... Maybe a dark blue. Maybe the camera will pick that up. They're kind of similar, almost into the purple range a little bit. And you have a brown case over here and sort of a peach colored one over here. So those are real nice like that. And back here we have the big surround case with the front on it like that. And this whole thing, it peels away like that, and you can take out the inside of it. So let me see if I could just get that open for a second here. It's a nice tight fit. And they also give you camera protectors with this style. So let me show you what the phone looks like in each of these. We'll start with these cases here. As you see, it fits real nice in there. There's your camera on the back. This is a really nice color. I like this one a lot. Kind of an interesting color like that, so you can dress your phone up in different ways. Obviously, as we go on, I'm going to be leaving a lot of fingerprints on this, but that's just how it goes. I mean, you handle it all day anyways. Here's the brown case, so we'll get it in there. Nice all around. Not too bad. We'll take it out of there. And we'll get into the sort of purplish case. I can't really place what color that is, but it's nice nonetheless. Ooh, that's kind of nice. That's really kind of nice. The camera makes this look a little bit more navy blue than I see it in real life, but then again, I don't have the best vision all around. And we'll take that out of there like that. And now we'll go in here for the black case. And that's just your classic black all around. Nice. Protected, safe, all around pretty nice like that. So we're going to go ahead now and I'll show you the other case and how that goes together. So for these cases, you have a green one. That's really nice. Sort of a periwinkle looking purple type sort of thing. Kind of a classic blue, and of course your absolute classic black right there. These include camera protectors as well. So the way that works, you take that off, and now if I peel this back, if you take a look in here, you see how it has little cups for the cameras like that. So we can take that, and obviously you just match up and it goes right over like that. So now you have a nice protection for the lenses for the three cameras on the back like that. And then we can take that, and obviously you would peel off the plastic. I'm not going to do that for this demonstration, just you want to get a feel for what it looks like. Phone just kind of pops in there. And then we go ahead and get the cover. I will peel this off so you could see it kind of better. So I just went ahead and took all the plastic off. So again, once you have the camera protector on there, you can put the phone in there like that. And now this has to fit in around the phone. So you got to like press it in, and I'm not going to, I'm going to spare you all the trouble of getting that in. Let me get it installed in here so you can see what it'll look like. Solid and substantial. Quite nice indeed. So there you go like that. Camera protector on the back. Nice and solid. Drop it the other way. It's not going to hurt it. Everything is really nicely protected in here. But again, that depends if you want a case like this. If you want the other type case where it just sort of fits into it, that's also nice if you're, a light duty user of your phone, anything like that. Of course, you have full button control and all that kind of stuff right there. So that's real nice. And I'll show you the screen protector on the other set. In this little packet here is an alcohol pad. Obviously, you know what to do with that. You're going to take that and wipe down the screen of the phone. This one is, for all intents and purposes, just about perfect. And then your screen protector, you peel off the back of that. And then, of course, you're going to line this up. Now, this is tricky work, and you want to be very careful and get it just right. So there we go. It's kind of working its own bubbles out, which is nice. I'll help it along. Get that out. All the bubbles are out. The screen is nice and protected now, and it can go in that case. And I don't know, this one had a weird color in the beginning, but I'm sold on it. I love the color. After all, it's just a stark enough contrast between that. So all around pretty nice as well with the screen protector. And they give you another one, so this can come off and you can obviously put another one. It's plexiglass. So with the different colors and the different styles available, Miracase has a case for you. Once again, these are the Miracase protective phone cases for the iPhone 14 Pro 6.1 inch. If you'd like to purchase these, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the items available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.